Today I'm going to introduce you to the most popular landmark on the 7 miles of trails here at Indian Creek Nature Center. This is the Blue Bridge. Built in 1876, it served nearby traffic for more than 150 years. When the aging bridge needed to be replaced, the Nature Center and local officials worked together to bring this bridge to our trail system. Visitors love the bright blue paint. It makes a great spot for photos. We even had a wedding ceremony out here. The best part is, it's just a short walk from our parking lot. On your next Iowa road trip, be sure to check out the iconic Blue Bridge at Indian Creek Nature Center.